gonna lie, I'm only wearing these because it's like super bright outside. Hello, and welcome to the trashiest video ever. So my name is Mackenzie, or kenzzzie as my username may say. But I'm a pretty chill, like, kind of gal. And it's like not as bright anymore because ever since I made that intro. Now see, this is a rare sight. I don't go outside because like I don't go outside. It's just I don't know. No one needs to go outside. But like me and nature don't mix because like where I live, it's either hot, cold, snowing, raining, or windy. Or just nature hates me. But there's no in between. And like there's literally no in between. Like I try to dress nice and then I go outside to take the bus and it's like it's freezing. And then today I got in the car and like it's not a leather car or anything, but I sit down and it's hot. I almost burned my legs off. Excuse me. Excuse me. Be right back. Stop making it windy. My point. Exactly. And there's bees everywhere. No one likes bees. Maybe they do stuff for our planet, but no one like you, bee. We can all be chill and just stay away from here. Or we can just separate ourselves and be alone. But no, you have to come and sting everyone because you have anger management issues. Like I said, welcome to the trashiest video you'll ever meet. Or ever meet. Hey nature, you know, it messes with your head. You hear me? It messes with your head. With your head. Just end it here, cause like, I'm messing with my head. I'm going insane. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.